species at war. One flesh, one metal. Optimus Prime has left us.
We're floating in space.
100 billion trillion planets in the cosmos.
Everyone you know.
You want to know, don't you?
Someday
Why they keep coming here.
we'll die.
I want to stay, and I want to fight them.
Now, two worlds colliding.
The operation's over.
We're not giving up, okay? Only one survives.